Sit with your back straight. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale completely through your nose. Do not inhale or exhale through your mouth. Keep doing it for about a minute. The Sanskrit word bhastrika means bellows, mostly used by blacksmiths to melt metal. Like the bellows fan the fire, similarly bhastrika pranayam surges the flow of air into the body to produce heat at both the physical and subtle level, stoking the inner fire of mind and body. With every inhalation, feel as if positivity is flowing into your body. And with every exhalation, feel as if the toxins and negativity is being pushed away. It instantly energizes the entire body and calms the mind. Next comes in Kapalbhati or rapid exhalation. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Back straight. Expel the breath with forceful contractions of the abdominal muscles. Made up of two Sanskrit words, Kapala meaning skull and Bhati meaning shining. Kapalbhati is among the most powerful yogic exercises. Make sure that you are exhaling throughout. Don't worry about inhaling. The point between two exhalations is when your body automatically inhales. Just keep exhaling. As there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 outward strokes of breath is ideal for a beginner. Slowly you can increase it to 70, 80. Kapalbhati rejuvenates the whole, the release of the excess air. Yogic pranayam is all about doing with a happy, cheerful mind. Now contract and expand the stomach as many times as you can. 10 from the right nostril. In the same position, inhale from the right nostril. Release the fingers, place the right thumb again on the right nostril and exhale from the left nostril. This completes one circle. Repeat. Any abnormality in the body, physical or mental, arises from the imbalance of the three doshas, namely Vata, Pitta and Kapha, and Anulom Vilom is considered to be the most effective in balancing them.